Understanding the phrase, "I'm beat," a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we have a very interesting topic to discuss. We are going to delve into the meaning, usage, and origin of the phrase, "I'm beat." This is a common expression in English, and understanding it will definitely help you sound more like a native speaker. So, let's get started. When someone says, "I'm beat," they are expressing that they are very tired or exhausted. It is an informal way of letting others know that you have used up a lot of your energy, and you need to rest. For example, after a long day of work, you might come home and say, "I'm beat, I just want to lie down for a while." This indicates that you are very tired from the activities of the day. Using "I'm beat" in a sentence is quite straightforward. You can use it on its own as a response to someone asking how you are, or you can incorporate it into a longer sentence to provide more context. On its own, "How was your day?" "I'm beat." In a sentence, "I had to attend 5 back-to-back meetings today. I'm completely beat." The phrase, "I'm beat," has its roots in American English. It is believed to have originated in the early to mid-20th century. The word "beat" in this context is thought to come from the verb to beat, implying that someone has been worked so hard that they are left feeling defeated or worn out, much like an object that has been physically beaten. There are several other expressions in English that convey the same or a similar meaning to "I'm beat." Some of these include, "I'm exhausted." This is a more formal way of expressing extreme tiredness. "I'm worn out." This phrase also conveys a sense of tiredness, with an emphasis on the duration or intensity of the activity that led to this state. "I'm drained." This implies that all your energy has been used up. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to understanding the phrase, "I'm beat." We hope this video has helped clarify what this phrase means, how to use it in a sentence, and where it comes from. Remember, learning these common expressions can really help improve your fluency in English. Thank you so much for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in the next video.